10 uncomfortable truths that will set you free. Take a moment. What you're about to read won't be easy, but it might be exactly what you need. These truths cut deep because they expose what we'd rather ignore. And that's where real growth begins. Ever notice how the most important lessons often sting the most? That's not coincidence. True wisdom doesn't always come wrapped in comfort. Let's begin. 1. Your time is being stolen. Every minute spent convincing others of your worth is a minute stolen from your potential. Stop auditioning for people who aren't casting you in their lives. 2. That voice in your head is lying. Those "I can't" statements, they're not humility, they're self-betrayal in disguise. You've rejected yourself before giving the world a chance to say yes. 3. Comfort is the enemy of progress. What you call safe is actually stagnant. That fear you're avoiding, it's guarding everything you claim to want. 4. You're not the main character. That embarrassing moment you can't forget, others forgot it seconds later. The opinions you fear, people are too busy worrying about their own lives. 5. Easy choices build hard lives. Scroll instead of study, drink instead of create, stay instead of grow. These aren't breaks from life. They are your life passing by. 6. Your body keeps score. The exhaustion, the aches, the sleepless nights, these aren't random. They're urgent memos from your deepest self, marked, read immediately. 7. Fantasy is more addictive than reality. The perfect job, relationship, future self. These fantasies give you all the satisfaction with none of the work. Meanwhile, your actual life waits patiently in the wings. 8. Heroes have flaws. 2. The people you idolize, they struggle with self-doubt, make mistakes, and have bad days. The only difference is they kept going anyway. 9. Forgiveness is self-care. Holding on to anger is like keeping a burning coal to throw later. You're the one getting burned right now. 10. Everything you need is already yours. Not more talent, not better circumstances, just the courage to use what you've been given. The world isn't holding you back. You're holding yourself back from the world. Now pause. If this made you uncomfortable, good. Discomfort is the price of admission to a better life. You have 2 choices. Close this and return to what's familiar, or use this friction as fuel to become who you're meant to be. Which will it be? Drop "ready" below if you're choosing growth today. Pass this to someone who needs this push. This version keeps the original meaning while using fresh phrasing, sounds more conversational and human, maintains the impactful, direct style, flows naturally for reading aloud, preserves all key concepts with new expressions, ends with an engaging call to action.